Tennis is mentioned in literature as far back as the Middle Ages. Shepherds gave 3 gifts, including a tennis ball, to the newborn Christ. According to some historians, tennis first began in ancient Egypt. The word racket is thought to be the Arabic word for rakhat, meaning pa. French monks are believed to have started playing tennis during the 11th and 12th centuries. Tennis as a game is being developed since the 12th century. A game in which the ball was hit with bare hands and later it was connected to the glove. By the 16th century, the glove became a racket. The game had moved to an enclosed playing area, and the rules had stabilized. In 1872, the first lawn tennis club was established. Gradually, tennis started to develop into a professional sport. The word tennis came into use in English during mid-14th century, which can be translated as hold, receive or take a call from the server to his opponent indicating that he is about to serve. In India, the game is a hit amongst sports enthusiasts of all ages. Since its introduction, India has produced several outstanding tennis players for international tournaments. Indian players performed well in prestigious tournaments during the 60s of 20th century. Young Indian tennis players achieved outstanding victories for India in international events during 90s. International Professional Tennis League was formed in 2017 in Odisha with a zeal not only to promote the game but also to give wins to many young tennis players of Odisha. Ganjam District Tennis Association was formed in 1998. It has been hosting state and national level tournaments every year at Union Club, Berhampur. Former Secretary of the Ganjam District Tennis Association Arjun Swain of Berhampur is an adherent lover of the game. As a tennis veteran, he has been encouraging young folk of the city. During the COVID epidemic, he spent time with players on the tennis court set up by his own residence premises, while the collective institutions are closed. On the 68th birthday celebration of Arjun Swain, his spouse Mrs. Pramita Swain offered the invitational tennis tournaments as a birthday gift to him. Pramita Swain presented the tournament t-shirts to the participants and tennis fans. In married life, husbands and wives care for each other's affections, ambitions, desires, and respect. On the first day of December 2021, by morning 7 in the company of tennis co-players, their wives, and neighbors, Mrs. Pramita Swain greeted the tennis veteran Arjun Swan on his birthday with a bouquet of flowers. On this occasion, Arjun Swain announced the tournament schedule and inaugurated the tournament.
Good morning, everybody. I have my tennis friends together today, and they say if your wife doesn't want a dog to be there, there cannot be a dog in anybody's house. So the wife collaboration is very, very important. So I thank my wife. Thank you. Yeah. It was a lovely morning to have my old friends, and we will play together now. For at least these 10 days will be a kind of a refresh for me. And I declare that every year, at this time of the year, we will do the same tournament. Yes,
For another 68 years.
Which you are right. You are right. Morning, I was looking at the TV. There is an old man of 87 who is doing cycling for 20 kilometers. So that actually tells you that as long as you live, you have got to be sporting, and you have to be doing all kind of sports activities. Even if you can't play, but you keep on watching, be with friends, The sportsman is never allowed. Declare the match open.
Big hand for his contribution.
Mr. Jiteen Mohanty announced about 8 matches with 16 participants, 4 quarter-finals, 2 semi-finals during the schedule between of 1st December and 15 December.
Due to only her, we have fast ever Herzogya tennis tournament. So
The final achiever will be greeted by medal and other participants will receive complimentary gifts on the valedictory ceremony. Arjun Swain along with some local tennis veterans were present on the Ukvan and raised their spirits in the organization of this invitational tennis tournament. Mrs. Madhu Chaudhary, Sudhir Sahu, his spouse Jyotsna Sahu, Kiran Dora, his spouse Geetanjali Dora along with Rajiba Lochan Misra, Idris Abdul Sattar, Uma Shankar Padhi, Sharad Kumar Panigrahi, Doki Praveen Kumar Subudhi, Rupak Kumar Sarkar, and other tennis veterans, court players and his spouses were present in the Ukvan. Pramita Swain was assisted in organizing the tournament by her younger brother Prasanna Mishra, daughter-in-law Nutan Swain and son Siddhartha Swain. Her son-in-law Chandan, daughter Coco along with Purna, Balaji, Tirupati, Ganesh, Matia and Surendra have contributed their efforts to make the event a success. On the first day, scheduled 2 matches were played. One by Senapati and his partner Sahu along with court opponent Sivaji and his partner H. Sahu. The second one was played by Il Patnaik, R. Sahu, B. Patnaik and S. Ratrod. The organizers had paid special attention to the preparation of tennis court and management of the necessary equipment. At the end of first day, Palvinder Singh along with Gora Kisore Petro and Shrikanta Padhi invited Arjun Swain with a racket to the tennis court to greet him with the player. Arjun Swain gave thanks to all their presence and make the event joyful.